Hi friends, I'm back with homemade super easy overnight face mask, and it can be used also for male and female. Let's start. Number 1, lemon and honey face mask. It's for oil control and whitening. We need lemon juice and honey, and also a cotton ball for applying the face mask in our face. So let's start. First, take 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice in a clean bowl. You can also use the orange juice or the sugarcane juice, but the best one is lemon juice. And also then add 1 teaspoon of organic honey with that. After adding the honey, mix the combination very well for 1 minute. And then your face mask is ready to apply. First, wash your face with any kind of face wash and then apply it on your face with a cotton ball. And then just rub your face with that cotton ball in a circular motion. And then leave it on your face for overnight and go for sleep. In the next morning, wash your face with cold water. Don't use any kind of hot water or lukewarm water. And then use moisturizer. You can apply this face mask 3 times in a week. And then number 2, it's green tea face mask. And it's for anti-aging and pimple removal. For that, we need just hot green tea. In a bowl, take 2 to 3 teaspoons of green tea in a small bowl. And then take clean cotton ball and apply the green tea in your face gently. And then with this wet cotton ball, just rub your face for 1 minute. And leave it for overnight in your face. And then next morning, wash your face with cold water. Also for these face masks, don't use any kind of hot water. You can apply this 4 times in a week. Any kind of natural product which is used for face in naturally can show its result so slowly. So wait. And then come to the number 3, it's milk and turmeric face mask for whitening and brightening face. For that, we need raw milk and turmeric powder. Here, you can use the turmeric powder which is made only for skin. But I have no turmeric powder like that, that's why I am using the cooking turmeric powder. You can also use that. So, take a pinch of turmeric powder in a clean small bowl and then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw milk with that. After adding the raw milk, mix the combination very well with any kind of spoon. And then your combination is ready to apply. Next, with a cotton ball, apply the face mask on your face gently and rub your skin with that cotton ball for 1 minute. After applying and rubbing these marks in your face, just go for sleep. Let it stay in your face for overnight. And then next morning, wash your face with cold water and then apply your regular moisturizer. You can apply this face mask in your face 4 times in a week. So, in all my videos, I am requesting you that before applying any kind of face mask in your face, first use in your hand and then see what is the result, it is suitable or not for your skin. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.